Hello friends, welcome to Initial Solution. Now I will show you how to your content will be here. How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. First open the Twitter app on your mobile. Click on your profile logo in the top left. Scroll down and click on settings and support. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy and safety. Click on content you see. Now turn on the display media that may contain sensitive content option. Then no more sensitive content will come on your Twitter. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for the watching.